my God, it's taking this stuff off the trees and everything. Poor Charlie just took off running up through there. Poor guy's always scared to death. Holy shit! Oh
my God!
I hope this is recording. Wow, I ain't never seen nothing like that.
It's getting harder.
Unbelievable. Wow. That is crazy. Now there's a chunk out there as big as a golf ball. Unbelievable. Oh man, the poor car. I bet that just beat the shit out of your car.
Don't even say that.
Well, this time we may have turned it into the insurance.
Oh,
you know what?
crap.
Don't ask me. I've got the thing turned around backwards. No wonder I kept looking dark. Wow. I'm so stupid. I got my phone upside down. I can't help it. I'm just freaked out. This is unbelievable.
Charlie's outside.
Well, I hope he's okay. I don't know where the heck did he go.
Well, I think he went up there in my car. Wow.
Oh, my greenhouse. I hope that didn't hurt it.
Look at all that.
I know it. Man, I can't believe I had my stupid phone turned around backwards. Well, you could hear the noise while it was going on anyways. Look. Wow. I can't believe that didn't break any glass.
Oh, well. Look at all that crap.
Unbelievable. Look at some of them big chunks out there.
I know.
They're big around as a silver dollar. Look, there's another great big one up there. They're round. Some of them they're funny looking. They look like round noodles.
Here.
Charlie!
Charlie! Come on, dude! Here, hold that open. Wow, look at that patio!
I hope my greenhouse is okay.
Oh, look at my corn.
If it ain't broke, I'll be surprised. If there ain't nothing broke. Well, we may end up having our roof replaced out of this one.
That's so loud.
Look at that.
Charlie, come on!
Funny looking, grab some of them over there once. They're just funny looking. How they're kind of almost hollow in the middle.
Oh, look at that.
That's a big chunk of hail. Get that real big one out there. See it? Here, I'll get it. Hold the door.
Here. Okay. Oh.
Wow, look at the patio. Holy shit.
Holy
Now that's
crap.
a chunk of hail. Hail. Hail, you say?
You got it.
That's big. Let me see it.
Oh.
Bitch! What's the matter with you? That's a souvenir. We'll have to put it in the freezer.
Look, there's two
Yeah.
of them. Oh my God! Look at it looks like snow up there in the yard.
I know it. It snowed. It snowed chunks of ice. Oh shit. It's slippery too. Wow. Totally crazy. Charlie! Look at the car. I bet it beat to pieces. Oh, where Charlie went.